All right, we're about to do a tire change on a 1998 Mercedes-Benz station wagon. As you can see, they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different lug nuts. All right, and we're gonna go here, get our equipment. We're gonna get like a nice little close-up. So as you can see on these Mercedes-Benz station wagons, they use small lug nuts. So that's a size 17. So what I like to do before, since I know that's a size 17, I like to loosen them up with this tool right here before I lift it up. Scoop this up. Alright. So we're gonna loosen them up first. So let's loosen them up first. Loosen up the lug nuts. I like to use this breaker bar. All right, let's loosen them up. All right, let's loosen them up. A lot of these are so hard. All right, let's loosen this up. All right, now we loosen the majority of them up. Let's see, that one's loose, 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 loose. Now, let's go ahead and lift it up. And then we're gonna get the spare tire out. So the spare tire on these is in the back. So we'll go here, get the spare tire out. As you can see, this is a full spare tire there. All right, now let's loosen this thing up. Now, let's go ahead and lift the car. We're gonna find like a nice area to lift it at. As you can see, we kind of in a tight location, so we got to turn this thing, kind of finesse it a little bit. All right, now let's get the size 17 lug nut remover, since that is a 17. So right here is your 17 millimeter. We're gonna use, that's a 17 millimeter. Use your impact gun. And we're gonna take the rest of these out. Get out of here, bug. Get out of here, bug. Get. Take off the damaged tire, put it to the side. Now let's get the spare tire. Now what I like to do is, you see how dry this is? And a lot of these lug nuts are very, very dry. So I like to spray a little bit of this oil here, penetrating catalyst oil on here, and spray inside of where the lug nuts go, because it's so dry, as you can see. Now we're gonna put this back on. This is the nice clean tire. All right, let's get the lug nut. Put these things back on. these in here. All right, put them back in here. All right, now as you can see, we got all the lug nuts on here. Of course, you're gonna put your equipment back. You don't want to lose that. Put your equipment back. You want to lower it. And that's how you change the tire on a 98 Mercedes-Benz.